Sorry for the interruption, students. We shall continue the session again. We are talking about the process of lactation. In that lactation, we have seen lactogenesis and galactogenesis. The process of formation of milk is known as lactogenesis, and the process of secretion of milk, maintenance of secretion of milk, it is known as galactogenesis. Okay, and it is followed by, see, the composition of milk. The composition of milk, if you see, water, minerals, and carbohydrate, lactose is present, proteins, casein is present, followed by the fats, and in colostrum it is rich in IgA antibodies. And one more point, placenta. Through the placenta, IgG antibodies are, see one more extra point here, IgG. Immunoglobulin G antibodies are transplacental. Okay, so the IgG and IgA antibodies, as they are produced in the mother and they are directly given to the fetus, these antibodies, the immunity provided to the fetus by the ready-made antibodies is known as passive immunity. So the fetus develops passive immunity. Passive immunity. The fetus attains passive immunity from the mother to the fetus through the IgG antibodies from the placenta and IgA antibodies from the colostrum. So with this we are done with the chapter human reproduction. A brief, not recap, a few points, extra points regarding the human reproduction, that are what are all the disorders that are with respect to human reproduction. See, parturition we have seen. If there is no normal delivery, the fetus will be delivered out through the surgical procedure. That surgical procedure is known as surgical removal or delivery of the fetus is known as cesarean or C-section. Cesarean or C-section. Okay. Now, apart from this, few disorders which are with respect to human reproduction. And we have discussed all these disorders while we are talking normal anatomy of human reproductive system. But once, so see here, disorders. Disorders of human reproductive system. Cryptorchidism. Cryptorchidism. Oligospermia. Oligospermia. Azoospermia. Echinosphermia. Echinosphermia. PCOD in case of females, PID, polycystic ovarian disease, pelvic inflammatory disease. Okay, these are all some of the disorders that are associated with human reproductive system. Cryptorchidism, failure of descent of testes into inguinal canal through the inguinal canal into scrotum is known as cryptorchidism. Oligospermia, production of low sperms or low sperm count is known as oligospermia. Azoospermia, production of no sperms in the semen is known as azoospermia. Echinosphermia, production of non-motile sperms is known as echinosphermia. And PCOD in case of females, polycystic ovarian disease, which leads to irregular menstrual cycles. That is PCOD. And PID, pelvic inflammatory disease due to underlying infections in case of females. Okay, these are certain disorders that are concerned with human reproductive system. So with this, we have completed the entire chapter of human reproductive system. Thank you.